day today? How are you all, dear children? After a long time, we are meeting back in our online computer class, isn't it? Are you all excited to learn today? Okay, dear children. So far, how many chapters we have completed? Do you remember? Okay. So now you take your textbook, computer textbook, and take chapter 3. Okay, dear children, take chapter 3 and turn to page number 30. Okay, till page number 29 we have completed, isn't it? So now we are going to start with page number 30. Okay, dear children. So now what is the chapter topic? What is the name of the chapter? More about paint, isn't it? So we are learning how to draw, edit, and what are the other features available in the paint application, isn't it, dear children? Okay, now shall we open our paint application? Okay, dear children, look at this. So you already know how to open a paint application, isn't it? So go to start, all programs, and there you get paint application. Okay, dear children, so when you click on paint application, you will get a blank paint application. Okay, then in the previous class we have learned how to insert an image in the paint, isn't it? Now can you able to see a image here in this application? What is the name of this image? What are you seeing in this image? Okay, so this is the image of a tiger, isn't it? Okay, so now it is not necessary that you need to have only tiger image. You can have any image from your desktop, from your computer. Okay, dear children, now I have taken a picture of a tiger. Okay, now what is the topic under page number 30? What is the first topic in page number 30? Rotate or flip a drawing. Okay, so we are going to learn how to rotate or how to flip a drawing. Okay, so now for this you can use the rotate tool. Okay, where is the rotate tool, dear children? See, so in the image group you can see rotate tool. Can you see rotate or flip? It is mentioned rotate or flip. Okay, so using this we are going to edit now. Okay, so first we are going to see it theoretically. Okay, dear children. So listen, first we are going to use what tool? Rotate tool. Okay, so now take your pencil and highlight, underline this rotate tool. Okay, so we are going to select the drawing first. Either you can select the entire drawing or a part of the drawing. Okay, so now we are going to use only image, isn't it? So I'll use the image. So we can select entire image or a part of the image also can be selected. Okay, then after selecting you should go to home tab. Okay, so after clicking the home tab you should click on, okay, in the image group you should click on rotate option as I have already told you. Okay, so in the rotate option what you can see is you can see different options, other options. There will be like a drop up menu. Can you see this, dear children? Can you able to see this rotate menu figure 3.8 rotate menu? This is how it will be displayed if you click on rotate menu. Okay, so you can choose either rotate right 90 degree or left 90 degree or 180 degree. Okay, if you click on flip vertical or flip horizontal you will get mirror image. Okay, dear children, so this is how Okay dear children, so shall we do and see now? Okay, we can practice. So I am going to select. Okay, so this is how I am going to select. Okay, you have to double click on the image and you should drag your cursor. Okay, then it will get selected. So after selecting, home tab is already selected. Then after selecting home tab, you should click on rotate option. Okay, so I am going to rotate 90°. Okay, can you able to see, dear children? Can you able to see the change? So this is how it will be. It will be changed. Okay, so if you again click on rotate 90°, so it will be changed like this. Can you able to see the change, dear children? Okay, so now I am going to give left 90° and again left 90°, then it will become normal image. Okay dear children, so this is how you have to use the rotate option. So shall we see how to use the flip option? Okay, now first I'll show you how to use the flip option. So similar to this, when you click the rotate option and if you give flip vertical, can you see it is just the mirror image. Okay, and again if you give flip vertical, it will become normal. So it means that you will get the mirror image. Okay, that is the flip option. Okay, now I think you understand what is rotate option and what is flip option, isn't it? Okay, so you practice that, dear children. Now we can go to the next topic. Resize a drawing. Okay, how to resize a drawing. Now, what is meant by resizing, dear children? Resizing means nothing but you can either increase the size of your drawing or you can decrease the size of your drawing. Okay, so for that, first of all, what you should do is you should click the select option. Okay, first you should click the select in the home tab, then you should drag the mouse pointer to your drawing. Okay, so that is just for selecting the picture. That's it. Okay, now in the image group, then there will be option called resize option. There if you click, then you will get resize and skew dialog box. Okay, you will get resize and skew dialog box. There in the dialog box, okay, now you know what is meant by a dialog box. Already we have learned what is a dialog box. A dialog box is a separate window, okay, in which number of other choices will be displayed. Okay, then there you should select the maintain an aspect ratio. Okay, so look at this image, dear children. This is how it will be. This is the resize and skew window. Okay, so in that there is a option called maintain aspect ratio. You should select that. Okay, in the resize box, you can see horizontal and vertical. There if you click on percentage, okay, there in horizontal you can give whatever percentage you want and in vertical as well. After that you can give OK. Okay, once you give OK, the size of the image will be changed. Okay, let's see how to do that, dear children. Okay. Okay, now listen. First of all, you should select the picture. Then see, I told you how to select. So either you can use your mouse pointer or else select rectangle, then you can drag. Okay, then after that go to resize option. There, this is the resize and skew window. Okay, after that already it is see, it should give this tick mark, maintain aspect ratio. It should be ticked. Then in percentage you can give, see, already it is 100. Now I am going to change that to 50. Okay, then I am going to give OK. Children, can you able to see the size of the images resized? Okay, can you able to see? So this is how you should resize your image. Okay, dear children, you understand? Okay, now dear children, so now you know how to resize an image and also how to rotate and flip an image, isn't it? We have learned that today. So today you are going to practice this in your house. Okay, will you do that, dear children? Okay, and you also have one practice work today. Okay, let me show you that practice work. Okay, in page number 32, in page number 32 you have a problem and a solution. Okay, already they did there, but you should practice that and you should find whether you are getting the same solution. Okay, dear children, so it is given that Aisha has to draw a picture of a nest in paint. Her teacher wants her to make a copy of the nest and then resize it to 75%. She also wants her to flip the second nest vertically. So here the teacher asks a student called Aisha to draw a picture of a nest and then resize that picture to 75% and then flip the second nest. Okay, so first she should copy the nest and then flip that nest vertically. Okay, so this is what you should do today. Will you practice this, dear children? So once you practice, if you get any doubt, you can contact me through my personal WhatsApp number. Any doubts you can ask me. Okay, dear children? Okay, so with this we are going to wind today's session. Okay, thank you, dear children. Have a great day.